If a customer requests a quotation before making payment, Overloop allows you to generate one using the invoice feature. To create a quotation, begin by navigating the quotation menu. At the top right corner of the screen, click Create, and this opens the cart screen where you can add the product the customer wants to purchase. Once you have added the required items, select the customer, as a customer must be assigned before a quotation can be created. After this, you proceed and then you submit. From there, you can send the quotation directly to the customer or download it as PDF for sharing later. The quotation is automatically saved under the Orders section, allowing the customer to complete payment at a later time.